That was very underwhelming.
What was you waiting for? A sizzle?
Yeah, I was waiting for a bit of a we had no sizzle, but we have got bacon.
You got bacon, but you got no sizzle. But the sizzle will come. Here you go.
Here we go.
The sizzle will come in the memento. In the memento, darling. Streaky bacon, yeah.
What are we doing?
We're gonna make a little pasta, a little tomato dish. So I've got one of my little tapas de balls, you know.
Nice.
We're gonna use that and that. So we're gonna cook streaky bacon on there first of all. Pull it off, cut it up into small pieces, and then in the meantime while that's cooking, we're going to slice up this lovely array of toms.
Grapes. I thought
they look like grapes, yeah?
Grapes.
But they're not. We were shopping a minute ago and I come across them. And to be honest, I second took as well. Because at the top of that, before I opened it up, it was all the green ones. And I thought it was grapes. But it's not. So we got tomatoes. We got mozzarella balls.
We've got baby Charlie.
Baby Charlie just had his injections, by the way, so he's a little bit like that. Mozzarella balls there. And some chilli as well. I'm going to go in with some garlic and some basil. We're going to dress it all up and we're going to stick it in there and we're going to make a lovely dish and with some beautiful bread, yeah.
And we've got some of these.
And croutons to go inside as well. So we're going to put it all in. Once that bacon's done, we're going to put all this into one dish and cook it in the old pizza oven there. And hopefully with the mozzarella, with the tomato juice, it's going to melt. It's going to be flavoursome. It's going to be chilli, garlicky, basil. It's Italy, isn't it?
Banging.
It's lovely, man.
Catch him 5.
Where's the boat? And see if it's a grape. You keep talking about it being grapes.
It looks like a grape.
Why don't you eat it and see if it's a grape?
Look at that and tell me that don't look like a grape.
He thinks it looks like a grape because of the colour green.
You don't think that looks like a grape?
I know it's a tomato.
Yeah, but that
they do green
you would get confused with that and think it's a grape.
I'm easily confused.
Don't take much from your wife to get confused. Still got
Tastes
baby
like a grape.
No, it don't taste like a grape.
God, I think they're grapes. I think it's a tomato grape mix. Honestly.
Right, I'm going to flip that over in a minute as well.
That's nice, that grape though.
Grape nice,
the actual tomato.
Does it taste different?
Yeah.
Has it got a different sort of taste?
A little bit sweeter.
Is it red, yellow, green?
Do you like them grapes?
I like these though.
Lots of chilies.
Only one chilli.
All the tomatoes are in there.
Garlic.
Ooh, that's going to be nice.
Lovely, right? So then what we do, garlic olive oil as well. Yeah, and then we're going to use a little spoon. Salt.
Just a little.
Yeah, you need the salt.
Salt. I love salt.
Salt's lovely.
What's wrong, Piggy?
Can't have food without salt, really.
Your level of salt and like normal.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Hey?
Your salt tastes like
Your
yours.
salt is
Then
not
we're going to
level.
go in with some basil.
And there's always loads of basil.
Loads of basil.
Bit of basil brush.
A bit.
You want flavour or what?
I want bacon.
Bacon's going in as well afterwards. Bacon's going to go in. I'm going to cook the bacon off first though, because this stuff just needs warming through.
That looks like good bacon.
That looks nice bacon, doesn't it?
Yeah, that in a sandwich.
That looks like a good drop of
I'm
bacon.
gonna chuck that in a sandwich.
Oh,
Wait, Dad. What's that over there? Lord?
Yeah. This is why you should never have children. Right, that, my little light chicken, is going straight underneath there. How long for, Sam?
5 minutes?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
5 minutes. I didn't even see the bacon.
5 minutes, I reckon.
5 minutes Turkish.
See you in 5.
Oh, look at that cheese melting. That's nice. Look at that, that's nice.
Fresh.
You know what I want to do as well? Ted, see that other cheese?
Put some on top.
Yeah. Need some of that cheese, Ted.
Oh, more cheese?
She put like
You'd think he paid for that cheese, wouldn't you?
bits of cheese.
You'd think he paid for that cheese the way he was that tight with it. Lovely.
Oh, that extra bit of cheese. Yeah, boy. Imagine that with a nice bit of bread.
That's what we got.
Ah, look, we've got a nice bit of
We've got a
bread.
nice bit of bread.
There's one I made earlier.
That's nice. Leave that in there like that. Nice drop of bread with it. This is nice.
Are you eating? You're eating the bacon. Look at that.
There you go.
Bada boom.
Bada boom.
Job done.
I like what I see.
What are you
Green
saying?
what you got there?
Grapes.
Grapes.
Grapes and bacon.
Green grapes.
Oh, that's lovely. You got that chilli.
Little
I
kick.
forgot we put the kick in there.
In
Mmm.
there.
Mmm. That's good, boys.
Let me try.
Boys and girls.
The boss's decision is final.
He's eating his pants.
He's alright. Yeah, terrible. Yeah, I thought so.